touching the hay. Lay it to waste.
Cow pie in the woods, chlorine out into the light. Spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Cow pie in the woods, chlorine out into the light. Spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows.
Hey Daisy, you're crowding my picnic. Hey Esmeralda, don't come any closer. Swirtle wordle, I see ya.
Cow pie in the woods, chlorine out into the light. Spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Cow pie in the woods, chlorine out into the light. Spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows.
Cowboy, 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 did I know? Cowboy, 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 did I know?
Hey folks, there it is for a DVD/CD player out of a computer. Not much to it. I prefer option 2. I don't sell things at boardsort.com, but I do sell things on eBay, and I kind of lump all my gold-plated stuff together. I hope you took something out of this. I hope you enjoyed a little. Subscribe if you want. Subscribe if you don't. I don't care.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.